Alright y'all, here's today's project. We are going to grade this off, bring in 15 yards of topsoil and spread it out so he can plant a new yard here. We're also going to remove this busted up concrete. It used to be a in-ground pool here. So let's get at it. Well, yeah, I was able to get that finished up. It was a little rougher than I anticipated because of the fight in the rain. I got rained out the first day before I could get, topsoil brought in and leveled out. But, it was pretty sunny and hot today for the most part. So I was able to get the topsoil brought in, and it was a little clumpy because it was wet. So it was a little hard to work with, but just took a lot of hand finishing to get it right, but it turned out pretty good. So that should do them all right, putting a new yard in there. And I just beat the rain. I don't know if you can tell, but it's raining now, of course. Just can't win. So oh wait, what's that? Oh, you guys aren't supposed to see that yet. So yeah, I got a new toy. I'll do a video about that here real soon and show you guys what I got and plans what we're gonna do with it. So all right, catch you next time.